So, Bob, not too much to worry about the rest of the day, just a little wind.
Yep.
But tomorrow we might have some issues.
Correct. We have the possibility of seeing some snow right down here in the valley. Of course, when we see snow, early season snowfall, we're always on the dividing line temperature-wise here in the valley. So I would wake up early just to see how those roads are. It's possible, and we're looking at maybe up to an inch, but even less than an inch, even a dusting can make the roads kind of slick.
Yes.
We'll talk more about that. Right now, let's talk about BSU football weather. Albertson Stadium, Air Force at BSU, going to be partly cloudy. 42 at the start, 38 at the end. Also, an early look at Thanksgiving Day. Partly cloudy skies with a high near 40 degrees. Overnight lows could be dipping down into the 20s. Here's our weather headlines. Windy for today, especially Boise eastward. The latest computer models backing off on the wind. Backing off on the timing, so we expect the winds to die down a little bit earlier, probably before the evening hours. Possible slick commute for your Thursday. The possibility of some snow here in the valley. The question is, when will it switch over to rain? And we expect it to switch over to rain, so it won't stick around, or it will be slushy if we get much snow at all. Drier for the weekend. That's good news. Our next shot at rain Tuesday. And this was an active radar map earlier this morning. It's pretty quiet now. That's a loop going back the last 3 hours. We still have one weather advisory in effect, wind advisory in effect for the Magic Valley, including Bliss, Gooding, Hagerman, and Wendell. And our winter weather advisory for the Sun Valley area has been allowed to expire as of 11 o'clock. Look at that. Mostly sunny skies out there right now under those conditions, 44 degrees. Pretty good wind sustained at 18 miles per hour, so a bit breezy to windy today, especially Boise eastward. And here's some other temperatures. 29 for Stanley, 30 degrees for McCall, 40 degrees in Baker City, most locations here in the mid-40s here in the valley. We have an active weather pattern. We have the jet stream cutting just to the south. It's acting like a conveyor belt of moisture pushing the rain into the Seattle area. Also, we had a cold front push on through that really picked up the winds. That's why all the wind damage. This is Thursday morning storm pushing in. And here's our high resolution futurecast to give you some idea of the timing. Here's right now. And we're looking at mostly sunny skies. And then we start to cloud up later tonight about 10:30. And then as we head into the morning commute hours, there's 4:45 just before 5 o'clock. Will be cloudy. Could see some snow starting in our mountain locations. Latest model is backed off on the timing. It looks like it's pushing it back just a little bit. But check out your morning commute. There's 9:15 snow all along the Boise front, kind of a rain-snow mix over Boise and rain further to the west. So we'll be right again on the dividing line between rain and snow. And then still a bit unsettled in the afternoon, 3:30, still has some rain over Boise, and then it pushes off to the south and southeast, and then we clear up for the rest of Saturday. So here's our regional forecast. Sunny, very windy for the Magic Valley under that wind advisory. 46 for Twin Falls high for today. Sun Valley getting some winds on top of Baldy. I was looking at a webcam. If we have enough time, I'll show you the webcam on top of Sun Valley. 38 degrees for their high with mostly sunny skies. McCall and Cascade looking at mostly sunny skies and a bit breezy western in the valley, otherwise mostly sunny. Same thing for Canyon County and Boise, mostly sunny and windy rather than breezy, so a step up from breezy. And then for your Thursday morning, a chance of some snow initially, switching over to rain, 80% chance, so it's almost a for sure thing. Partly cloudy skies on Friday, mostly sunny for the weekend. Next shot at rain Tuesday. But watch that morning commute tomorrow. Wake up early and check out the condition of the roads, and we'll keep you up to date on our morning show. Kelsey?